Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make infographics just like this, which you can see on your screen, and how this infographics can make you a ton of money. Now, everyone in the digital marketing field or in the affiliate marketing field knows that this type of infographics are really going super duper viral, and that's the reason why you should be making this infographics and building your brand, because this type of infographics can contribute a lot in building your personal brand. If you are in the digital marketing space or if you are in any industry, infographics are on a really huge getting huge, and you can make a ton of money. So in today's video, I'm gonna explain to you how you can create this type of infographics just in 5 to 10 minutes and start making money with that. Okay, so this is going to be really interesting. Watch this video till the end, because I'm gonna explain to you how to make this type of infographics just in 2 to 5 minutes, and that's really simple. Okay, so now let's get started. Let me jump into the content and let me show you how you can make this type of infographics. But before we jump into the content, I would like to suggest you that I am giving away a very good opportunity of making money online, which is the first link in the description. So if you are someone who is serious and wants to make a sustainable income for a very long period of time, there is a plug and play affiliate marketing system which I am suggesting to all of you, and which is my recommended opportunity for all of you, which you can participate into and you can start making money from that system. So the first link in the description if you are interested in that. And if you are not interested in that, and if you are interested in the way in which you can make money watching this video, then watch this video till the end. Now before we jump in, do press the subscribe button and the like button. So now let's jump into the content and let's start. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to this type of pages on Instagram and get some idea that what are this type of graphics. Okay, so just understand what this stuff is written on this graphics. And the best thing about this graphics is that it works in almost any industry. Okay, so you can make this type of graphics in health and fitness industry, or you can make this type of graphics in make money online niche, which I am in. You can also be a part of this niche and create content just regarding this niche. Okay, so everything is possible. Okay, so you just need to make this type of very simple infographics, and the platform which we are going to use to make this type of infographics is really simple, and it's Canva. Okay, all you need to do is go to Canva and search for Instagram post. Okay, you can also make this type of infographics for Pinterest. Okay, so it depends on you, whichever platform you are using to promote your affiliate products, it depends on you. Okay, so if you want to make an Instagram post, just search for Insta and you will find this Instagram post. And if you don't have an account on Canva, just make an account. It's absolutely free to make an account. Okay, and you can also sign up for Canva. The link is there in the description. Okay, so once you got over here, now all you need to do is go to over here, and you can see we are going to select one of the templates. So there are a ton of templates which are available on Canva, and you can probably use those templates. Okay, so we are going to select one of the templates. This is something which I created just some minutes ago, but I'm going to create something new absolutely from scratch. Okay, so let's add as a new page. Okay, so this is something which I created some time ago, and now we are gonna create this one. Okay, so if you want this, maybe I don't want this one. No, not this one. It doesn't seem too interesting. I think this can be interesting. Okay, so we are gonna use this template. Okay, so all you need to do is click over here, and then you can remove the background of this template. Okay, so now just click on this background and you can just add black background to it. Okay, so this type of templates are mostly in black color, so we are gonna use this black color. Now we don't want this picture this big, so we are gonna put it aside. Okay, now the thing is that you can select this text, and now let's type in something: best free traffic sources. Okay, so the thing is done. Make it a bit bigger. Yeah, and it's done, and you can just place it over here. Now the thing is that you can change the color of it and play with it. Okay, okay, let's put it over here. Now Let's change the color for it. Sometimes it gets really difficult to use Canva, but it's really simple to use Canva. Okay, so all you need to do is select a color. I'm gonna go for this color, so just we selected this color. Okay, so top free traffic sources. Now you just need to add some text over here. So now you can just select any of the text. Let me select this one. Okay, and you just need to select those bullet points list. Okay, now the first is Facebook. Then we can say Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok is also one, and maybe these are the best ones, Quora. So these are the best traffic sources which you can use. Okay, so we have got this. Now all you need to do is take it here and you just need to click this one, okay, alignment, so that it gets aligned. Okay, now you can make it big or small as per your choice. Let's make it a bit bigger. Maybe this much is enough. I think this is enough. Take this image a bit downwards. That will be okay. I think it is too big. Now you can just change the font of any font whichever you like. Let's select this one. Then pull it over here, make it a bit smaller. Okay, so your traffic sources have been added, and now what you need to do is you can just upload any of the logo whichever you want. So I'm going to use this logo of my own channel and I'm going to place it over here. Delete this one. Now you can just add the graphics of all this stuff. Just click on this elements and you can just type in Facebook. Just type in Facebook and you will find a lot of elements which are related to Facebook. So just add that one over here. So just let's get it, make it a bit smaller because it looks too big. Okay, so it's fine. Facebook, let's take it a bit side. Facebook. Now you can just type in Pinterest. Okay, so there is nothing available for Pinterest, so that we can go to this website which is known as pixelway.com, and you just have to select this vector graphics and then you can type in Pinterest. Okay, and then search. Okay, so just go to pixelway.com and you just need to search for vector graphics. Okay, and then you can find all this stuff. Okay, so you just need to download one of this. Okay, so we are gonna use this one, so we are just gonna download it from over here. Just click on this download, and if you are a robot, don't click this. Okay, if you are not a robot, then you just need to click this. Okay, so I think many of my viewers may be robots, so that's why I just need to acknowledge them also. So all you need to do is now download this. Okay, once you download this, all you need to do is go to Canva, upload that stuff again. Okay, so just be here on Canva and you can select this uploads. Okay, I don't know the reason why it is not downloading for now. Get downloaded. Maybe there is some problem. I don't know why it is not downloading, or it's taking so much time. Okay, then let's just put in the other elements until it gets downloaded. So Pinterest, and we just now need Instagram. Okay, so just go to and just select Instagram. So Instagram. So I think I can find many of them for Instagram. Okay, so Pinterest has been downloaded. Let's use this one for Instagram, and yeah, that's here. Let's make this Facebook a little bit okay, a bit smaller. Okay, it's fine. I think it's fine. Okay, now Facebook, and let's drag it over here because it is Instagram. Okay, so now we have got the Pinterest one. All you need to do is go to uploads and upload this Pinterest one over here, and you will also get the graphic for Pinterest. Okay, so you can download it from this website, which is known as pixabay.com. Okay, so it's been uploaded. Once it is uploaded, then you can use this and just take it over here, make it small, really small. Okay, let's just take it away. Sometimes it gets a bit difficult to work with Canva, so we have got it over here. Make it smaller, and then just now it's ready. Place it over here, and then make it a little bit more small. I think it's okay. So we have got the second one, third one, now fourth and fifth. Now all you need to do, just go to elements and search. Most of them you will find it, but if you don't find them, then you can just search for them on TikTok, pixabay.com. Okay, so let's see if there is something available for TikTok. No, nothing. Everything is paid, so just don't go for this paid ones. I'm just not gonna say that you should buy the paid program for Canva. Just search for TikTok. And you can find a ton of them over here. Maybe nothing is available regarding TikTok. Okay, so I ain't able to find the graphic for TikTok, so I should probably not use that one. Okay, and Quora. Let's search for Quora. Anything which is available for free, just use that stuff. Okay, so we have got this graphic for Quora. Make it a bit smaller. We will probably find something for that also. TikTok also. Okay, maybe it's not available on Pixabay for now. Let's just generally search for images and just click on TikTok. Maybe we can find something. Nothing. Let's search for it. Okay, so we find this images. Maybe we can use this one. Okay, not that's the banned one. This one is okay. We just go back. Not this one. This one is fine. Click on it, and we just need to click on those free downloads and click on the second one. We don't want the maximum size, and just click on download. Now if you are a robot, you just don't need to click this. Okay, you can directly download it because robots can do that stuff. But if you are a human being, you need to click this and just press the download button. So once you have this download button, it will get downloaded over here. So once it got downloaded to your computer, Now you just need to just put it over here, and once you are putting it over here, it will definitely come over here in some time. Okay, it takes some time. I don't know why this camera is so laggy. It's a bit laggy platform, but it works. Okay, so that's something which is really important, and the thing is that it works for free. That's the most important thing. Okay, so we got our graphics. All you need to do is make it smaller and just put it over here. Yeah, make it even smaller. Make it even smaller. Make it even smaller. Make it even smaller from here. Now just adjust it. So okay, so we have got this graphic which we are ready to now upload to our page. Okay, so you can also add something like your brand name. That is, let's add our brand name. So that people can know that this is from this particular page. Okay, so now we have also added our brand name. Let's just make it bold. Okay, and let's just change the color a bit, make it to the flagship color. Okay, so now your graphic has been ready. All you need to do is click on this download. You just need to select this PNG high quality image, and you just need to click on the download button, and your graphic has been downloaded to your computer. That's really simple, and then you can upload this graphic to Pinterest, or you can upload it to Instagram on your Instagram theme page or your Pinterest page. Okay, and you can start driving traffic to your affiliate link, creating this very simple viral graphics. It's very simple and very easy, and you can make a ton of money making this very simple stuff. Okay, so if you got some value out of this video, press the like button, smash the subscribe button. If you are gonna take action on the strategy, do take action and make some money. Okay, and comment me down below that if you are going, and if you make some money, do comment down on any of my videos, and I will be really happy to see that. And if you have any questions, doubts or queries, you can follow me on Instagram. Link is there in the description. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.